Welcome back to another Sheets AI tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to create hundreds of marketing ad creatives in minutes using Sheets AI. I mean, literally look at all of these that are created for Nike and Adidas and a few other brands. All right, so here's how to get it started. So first, since I was a bit lazy, I asked Sheets AI to give me a list of 10 popular brands and their target audiences, right? And so as you can see here, Sheets AI gives me that and inserts it directly into the sheet. So now that I have that, I decided to do some comprehensive research. And so here I use Perplexity to look up their competitors and do some market analysis and competitive research. All these prompts are gonna be in the comments, but I did this. So once I had this done, I decided, okay, now that I have this, I need to create some campaign concepts, right? But first, we had to make it static, as you can see. So then we created the campaign concepts. Now, the campaign concepts is really just ideas of how it's campaign ideas for the product, right? So I took some seconds to try to find the perfect prompt, but I was able to get it right. And once I did, I just ran it through every row. Now, here's something that is very important, is that whatever prompt you do, especially when it's like this, you want to have a clear separator, right? You would notice that in all my next prompts, I would always ask it to have a separator between numbers because I later want to be able to put them in different rows, put them in different sheets, whatever it is, right? So here, I'm asking it to create a new sheet with each campaign concept in its own row. And once that was done, I decided to move on to the next step, which was to start creating the creatives, right? So first I started with LinkedIn posts, but first I had to clip it. Exactly, done. All right, so then I did LinkedIn posts. So for LinkedIn posts, it's actually quite simple, right? Once again, it's just another side formula, but here's the thing with LinkedIn posts though, is it was kind of hard finding the perfect prompt for LinkedIn posts. But once again, all of this is a prompt game. You can try and test multiple prompts until you find one that's good. But as you can see here, all of these have clear separators. So I use the same type of prompt for Twitter, right? With the clear separator. And once I figured out the perfect separator that the AI never messed up, I just kept using it every single time, right? So then we move on to the next thing, which is image generation prompts. Now here's the thing, I already know that I'm terrible at writing prompts sometimes, so I decided, hey, you know what, GPT can write prompts for me. So I put that here, I give it a good prompt telling it that I wanted some image generation prompts, and I put it based on all the other headers, right? As you can see here, whenever you put hashtag headers, whatever, it grabs the headers from all those rows and from all those columns and the corresponding data in that row, right? Once again, with the perfect separator. So once I got the image gen prompts on deck, I decided to move on to the video gen prompts, which you can see right here. Done. Right, we have the video gen prompts and we're going crazy. All right, so so video gen is done, right? I believe I moved on to creating some ad copies based on the image gen prompts, and that's one big thing. If AI writes your image gen prompts, you can create ad copy based on it, because there's enough detail for that describes exactly what the picture is going to be about. So you don't have to actually do image to text. All you have to do is just create the prompt and then ask the AI to write something based on that prompt, right? That's the beauty of using AI for everything. All right, so once that's done, I decided to make the video ad copy. I just tweaked the prompt a little bit and ran it through. And once again, all these prompts will be in the comments or in the somewhere along this video, maybe in the description, something. The prompts are going to be there, the prompts I use. Some of them are terrible, but it's okay though, right? Okay, on to the next thing. We moved on to UGC script. Now here's the thing, although I made the UGC short video scripts, I didn't really use them in this video, but you can use the audio feature, the audio generation feature of Sheets AI to actually run all of those into 11 Labs and get really nice voices and characters replicating those specific scripts, right? Okay, so once that was done, I decided to move on to the next things. I created a new sheet. Now, keep this in mind. In this sheet, we have 100 campaign concepts, 100 LinkedIn posts, 100 Twitter posts, 100 possible images, 100 video gen prompts, right? So that means that literally for each brand, you've pretty much created hundreds of creatives. You know what I'm saying? So now here I just put the simple formula to create the image and the simple formula to create the videos. Now keep this in mind. The image formula is sci image gen, and the video one is sci exclamation video, right? If you also did sci exclamation image gen, it would work, right? But here, as you can see, we are creating the images and we're creating the videos, right? And so as you can see, the videos are coming back because once you set them, they have to process. So you just have to wait and wait and wait until they're ready to process. And so here I'm asking Sheet AI to give me, to create a column where I can kind of view the images. But after it created that column, you know, I took a second, looked at it, but then I decided, you know what would be pretty nice if we just had a media player. So guess what I did? I put a media player straight into Sheet AI, and you will see that in 1 second. But for now, enjoy these pictures, enjoy these views. Like, do you guys see Serena Williams? Do you guys see these pictures? Oh my God. Now, some of these are very AI generated, like you could tell, but honestly, some of these aren't. Like here, we're gonna play all of them, right? So in these pictures, I'll show you guys the one I was very, very proud about, right? And this is the picture and the caption, so you can clearly see, right? I really like this one because it feels very real. It feels like something Nike might actually do, right? Then we moved, these are Apple, right? I really like the split screen here. This is Coca-Cola. Look at how the picture and the caption really match, right? Now here, look at how many fingers this person has. Like, that's a very, very, anyways. I really like the split screen one, right? I don't know what in the world this was, but you know, this was clearly vibe marketing. Like, I did not review any of the things that it put out. I just did it and kept it going. Now here, this picture is insane. Like, that was not looking like AI generation, but look at that. Oh my God. And this picture too. Like, bro, look at this picture. Just look at it. Like, doesn't this look like something there'll be models for? Like, oh my God, look at the caption. Everything is literally perfect about this picture. It's insane. AI is going crazy right now, man. Anyways, now here we move on to the video gen ones, but the L'Oreal pictures were really good. Like, those were really good. Now let's move on to the videos. These were all for Nike, and as you can see, these are nice. These are really nice. Once again, this is complete vibe marketing because the AI doesn't know, because I didn't review any of the AI content. I didn't review any of it, right? Here, look at the caption. If you're ever confused, look at the caption and then look at the video. It makes complete sense. It does. You know what I'm saying, right? Product videos like this, if you wanted to do them at home, you would have to spend a lot of bread. Now, some of these, obviously, there's 1 detail missing, 2 detail missing. This video, terrible because of the fact that why is she running backwards instead of running forward? It kind of goes against the point of the video. But none of that stuff really matters. Like, look at this split screen. Like, this is AI generated. Like, all of these videos are AI generated. And the craziest part is that I use Minimax Halo, I don't know what it's called, for the videos, and I used Imagen 4 for the images. And so that's it. So hundreds and hundreds of creatives in a few minutes. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a nice day.